Hello again, and welcome back to lesson 4.3. I hope you had a wonderful time watching our scientific seminar. It was really fun to make, and it was really fun for all of us to collaborate and work together on that video. If for some reason you didn't watch it, I would say pause this video and go watch it. Even if you speed it up on YouTube, which I've discovered the ability to do that, and I really like it because sometimes I think faster or talk faster and I just want to speed things up. So even if you sped it up a little bit and listen to what we had to say, it's a great reference tool and it's a great resource that will help you to write your argument for today. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on 4.3. If you don't have your Moon Jelly booklet, remember you need this guy, so go find it wherever it's at and let's get going. But first things first, spreading joy. So did you remember yesterday I said to go and take a walk and try to find 5 things that you're thankful for and stick them on a Post-it note? Well, if you did that, great. If you didn't, I challenge you to do it today. There's something about being thankful that can just help us in hard times and help us to keep our focus on what's really good in life and what's kind of important sometimes in life. So one of the things I want to challenge you today is to take a moment and spread some joy. And so send a family member or a friend a picture of your face smiling and tell them one reason why they make you happy. So I'll show you what I did. I like Snapchat filters. Oops, let me move my head out of the way here. And I sent this picture to a friend of mine. She's a little bit older. She's kind of like my older sister. And she really helped me a lot after my dad passed away, and she helped me with transitioning his house and doing all the stuff I had to do there. And so I took this picture on Snapchat with the little funny bear ears and the cute glasses. And I said, you make me happy because you're the big sister I never had. So see, I'm an only child, so I don't know what it's like to have siblings. And so it's really nice to have her in my life because she helps me out and kind of takes care of me like a little sister. And we have a lot of fun when we get together. So that's what I did today. Let me move myself back over here. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and get started on lesson 4.3. So our learning intention for the day is all students were the same thing as yesterday. We're going to continue to organize our evidence, and we're going to build our new understanding regarding the decrease in the orange-bellied parrot population. That is such a mouthful. I still cannot always say it very well. Success criteria. So yesterday we analyzed our evidence cards. Today we're going to create that written scientific argument answering the question, what was the main cause of the decrease in the size of the orange-bellied parrot population? If you haven't realized yet, we're not really giving an answer. There isn't a definitive yes, no. This isn't one of those questions like, you have test questions. It's either right or wrong, true, false, multiple choice. This is the letter. That's not the case here. Our purpose is to use our evidence and to make a case and to argue our point of view. So as far as what's the right answer, well, the right answer is based on how well do you use the evidence to support your claim. That's how we generate what we consider to be the right answer, or maybe the more effective answer, the more scientific answer. But we're looking for that answer that has the most evidence. Okay, so we're going to write that scientific argument. So what you're going to do is take a look at page 125. Okay, read over that. If you want to pause the video right now, go ahead and do that. But make sure that you state your claim, you use your evidence, and you use the sentence starters and the word bank as you write your argument. So if you look down lower on the page, there's the scientific argument sentence starters. And if you look over on the next page on 126, there is a small word bank there. You can also grab from the vocabulary pages from previous, which would be, let's see here, page 116 would be a good place to get them from. And so as you go through, if you need help, take a look back on the science seminar video, that'll help you. And then also on page 127, there's a question and it says, what is another claim you considered? Explain why you chose not to support this claim, okay? So in your argument, you're stating your claim, you're using your evidence, using your sentence starters and the word bank to write your argument as to why the orange-bellied parrot population decreased, either because the births decreased or the deaths increased. And then make sure you answer on page 127 the counter argument that's the opposite side and say why you chose not to support that. What evidence wasn't strong enough, or what part of the claim did you not agree with, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and complete that self-assessment checklist again on page 128. There's just 3 questions there. And you can go ahead and just go through that and answer it to the best of your ability. And again, this is all about the reflection process, us learning more about ourselves and just becoming better learners. I do this, Mr. Vandergrift does this, and it's a skill set that'll help you all through the rest of your life. After that, we are done. So awesome job. Congratulations. Great effort. I'm so proud of you for continuing to work through our moon jelly questions, and then our orange-bellied parrot population questions. And then I know tomorrow Mr. Vandergriff has the how to do the final assessment video. So remember, if you're watching this video, that means you have access online. So make sure you go to your Amplify account and take that assessment online. Don't print out the PDF unless you absolutely have to. But if you're watching this video, you should be able to get to that assessment online. And Mr. Vandergriff has a video to show you how to do that. All right. I have had a great time teaching you, and I hope you've enjoyed our screencast. And I will see you around hopefully next week. All right. Bye.